Okay, for learning the Gaia, I have to explain all of these nodes first and you understand them. And after that, you have to, or we have to give you a lots of example to understanding this software. We have to do a lots of example to better understanding how this software works. And as you can see in the toolbox, we have a lots of nodes that you have to simply click and drag them into the graph editor and you can see the changes in a 3D viewport. And as you can see, we have a lot of graph here. So first we begin with primitives, the basic things that you can create your mountain with that. First thing first is here is a constant. As you can see, you can simply click and drag the constant node here and you can see the changes here. Or you can delete them here, or you can simply click tab and then type constant and then you can click it. Or you can right click and just start type constant. Simple. So in this ways, you can insert the constant here. Now, as you can see in the constants, we have two input here. The most common input in all of the nodes is mask. The mask is defining where that comment apply. It's very simple. I'll show you later. And this is an output. Now, as you can see, if you click on each node here, you can simply access the properties of that here and see the changes in the 3D viewport. So, as you can see, this constant has three different modes. Height. It means you can change the height of your landscape. This is your terrain. This is the height from, for example, if you make it 100%, what does it mean, this 100%? It's it. If you go to the terrain definition, this is the maximum height that you can choose here. Nice. So this is on height. You can access for the percentage or type any number in a meter m and enter. It's not changing by name. It's converted to the percentage here. This is a constant. You can this node, it does not work alone. You have to combine it with other nodes. Just simply mountain node from dual primitives. And as you can see, if you click and drag a mountain here, it simply creates a mountain for you. Nice. This is our mountain. That you can, its height is 100%. You can bulk it. I will be explain all of its settings there. Don't worry. Okay. For better seeing the details, you can change the resolution of the viewport, but make sure that your system is powerful because it takes time to calculate it. As you can see, if you click in a mountain, you see the changes in the mountain. If you click the constants, we click the constant. Okay, so you have to combine them to see the changes. As you can see, this is our constant output and this is a mountain output. That we have to combine the output. Simply combine the output here. So you can simply click and drag the nodes to connect them to the other nodes. Simply click the output of this and release. It's automatically combine it for you. And as you can see, I have to explain the combine later, but it's blending to them. For example, the combine is it's actually the Photoshop layering that you can any software add a screen multiple them. And as you can see this is mountain and this is combined with a constant number here, the constant height. For example, you can make it add, and as you can see, this is our mountain, add to the constant number here, become here. So you can bring your whole mountain up a little with a constant, because sometimes we need negative number in our train, so the constant here is uh, helping us. This is one benefit of constant. Just remember the benefit of them, and after that I will be explaining the other things. Another mode for the constant is a color. It gives you a simple color to your train, and as you can see, you can choose a simple color to your constant. But again, you have to use another mountain, and for mountain, and as you can see, if you want to texture the mountain, you have to for another you can click and drag from here searching, but you can click and drag, then release, and just type sat map. I will be explaining them one by one. Don't worry, sat map. It's automatically connected, and as you can see, it's texturing your mountain like this, but it's not good because you have to change the sat map mode to lots of mode here if you want. And we need for a sat map, we need a texture, or just look at, I will be explain them later. As you can see, it gives you a texture to your mountain, but you can change a different way to doing that. And if you want to combine this constant color to your mountain, the sat map, you can simply combine the output of the constant and the sat map to it, and then change mode to add screen. And as you can see, this is on sat map color, this is on constant color, and then combine them, you can reach the another color. This is one benefit of the constant. Another mode for the constant is a noise. And as you can see, you can add a noise to that. For example, change the iteration. It's a multiplier of the noise, random, Gaussian, or another mode of the noise that you can sorry, that you can for example, you can simulate the trees, vegetation for you, and we want to combine it with this and this and this. Okay, so you can use a mask. I will explain the mask. It's very simple. This is our mask. If you select, you can click a mask. As you can see, you can create a simple mask there, and for example, apply the comment just in this part of your mountain. I will be explaining. This is our constant. We want to use this mask to this constant, and then as you can see, if you draw the constant noise, just apply. This is a mask input. We want to specify in which part of your the benefit of the mask. The most important duty of the mask is identify in which part of the comment it's used in all of the comment. And as you can see, in a mountain we have a mask. You can simply delete it. For example, this is our mountain, this is our mask. And as you can see, this is our mask. You want to just see that mountain in that area, the red area. And as you can see, our mountain just apply to that red area that you draw in mask. So you can delete the nodes. It's very simple. Okay, this is our constant. You can apply, or you can directly combine that noise with that mountain. Nice. If you want, you can simply click, and you can go to your mountain and change the type of your mountain, and simply doing that. Nice. Okay, this is you can see change the seed of the noise, the iteration, the multiple of that noise. That is a constant noise. So you learn three different usage of the constant, and this is a constant mode simple. We use a lot in other tools in Gaia. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.